Dudes, hi. In this video we'll tell you about one of the most popular cars in the Soviet Union. VAZ 2106, or another export name LADA 1600, had been produced from 1976 to 2006. This model is not a standard one, it had been reworked especially for racing and drifting. It had already participated more than once. Actually, you can tell when you just take a look at it. A significant part of admirers of Tolyatti classics are sure that VAZ 2106 is the best Zhiguli of all times. It's atop of the rear-wheel drive line cars of the Volga Automobile Plant. On the streets this car is simply called the Six. The first Six was assembled at the end of 1975, and from February 1976, the mass production of VAZ 2106 had began. In December of the same year, the Six became a 3-millionth car, produced in Tolyatti, and in June of 1978 also the 4-millionth car. In the salon of the Six, attention was attracted completely to the velor upholstery of the seats. The front ones also had headrests, and on the dashboard there was a separate indicator of the brake fluid level and a rheostat that could smoothly change the brightness of the illumination. What do you think about this car? Leave your answers in the comments under the video. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Until new releases, friends.